Very nice.
Jim, you're getting too spoiled already. And you drink too much cappuccino. It's all milk.
Yeah. You act weird, they give you things.
I don't know. Jim just ran out of there with like
I had 2 cappuccinos and
cookies.
away we went. 501. 526. Okay. I wonder if it makes the circle.
I don't know.
504. Okay, we go. It's black. Probably the stairway.
It's upstairs.
Wow.
Oh, that's so nice.
Marble.
Okay.
Open. No, that's it. Mi casa.
Mi casa es su casa. Oh. 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 Oh my gosh. I got goosebumps, y'all. Oh my god, I got goosebumps. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. So, I'm so fabulous. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I've been in a walking entryway this whole time. Oh my god.
Oh my god. Okay. So, Intercontinental is a part of the Holiday Inn chain, like IGH, IHG, something like that. And if you are an ambassador and a diamond, you get upgraded. I used my buy one get one free weekend, and
We got.
and they upgrade. Yeah, they gave us some wine and some chocolate, and we got a balcony.
Yeah. I wonder if this is like a cruise door.
No, I think it just opens. Oh my god. It's hot though right now.
It's bright out.
Oh. Hey, give me your hand.
Hands up.
Italy. We're in Italy. Look at this nice crane.
We are in Rome.
We're in Italy. Wow. Very hot right now.
We definitely have to check that out this evening.
So we're gonna enjoy our bottle of wine and enjoy some cookies
Chocolate.
and chocolate.
Very nice.
So anyway, the price was, we're at walking distance everywhere inside the city of Rome on a weekend. And you know, it's fairly expensive to do that. So, what we did, I look horrible, I'm sorry. So what I did is I used my Ambassador weekend. It's a buy one, get one free night. So, it was 658 euro for both nights. So it actually averages out to be like what it would be at another place, but they upgraded. It's so nice.
Good too.
I don't know. That's the mini bar. Yeah, but we get like 20,
Yeah, we get a
$15 euro. I got a card. Hold on, I'm gonna read my card.
I have the Prosecco. I've never opened one of these.
Just like that.
It's like
Put your hand over the cork.
yeah. I will, and here we go.
Letter they said give me. I've never had a letter. And we're gonna be drinking. We closed the curtain because the heat was unbearable coming
Pinkies
in.
out, bitches.
But oh my gosh, that's so
Wow.
I don't know what's up here. It didn't say no go. Oh, that might be the rooftop thing. Is that?
Yep.
Oh. Don't know.
Restaurant.
It's locked, whatever it is.
No.
Okay, the final review of the Intercontinental in Rome. This hotel is actually new to the Holiday Inn chain. It's just opened, I think they remodeled and then reopened in May or June of this year. So some of the rewards and bonuses for the Holiday Inn chain wasn't working, which was a little disappointment, but I'll be okay with that. Overall, we loved the stay. The staff was on point. They were very pleasant. They were very nice, very friendly. They were warm and inviting. You know, it was a good stay. If it didn't cost 1,600 euros for 2 nights, we'd probably be back, but that's out of our price range. So we loved it. It was nice. I totally recommend if you got the money.